Joining me now with more, the president of Judicial Watch, Tom Fitton. All right, good evening, Tom. You know, this past week was stunning to me because if you heard my opening statement, it put everything in context. It gave motive to the actions for anyone who wasn't sure if those actions were benign or malignant. And to me, it is the dressing on the cake. And what I want to know right now is whether or not, if we've only gotten 375 of 10,000 texts, whether we can expect even more context of these actions by the FBI and DOJ.
Yes, but they're not going to put out the material willingly. I mean, we've been fighting with them about these texts. They've been ignoring our request about the denial or the removal of Strzok from the Mueller investigation. So we just had to sue last week for the records. We know how whistleblowers are treated by the Justice Department and FBI if they think they did something wrong. In this case, we know what happens when they are protected. These two, Peter Strzok, are being protected, Lisa Page is being protected, Andrew McCabe is being protected, and Andrew Weissman, who is the number 2 at Mueller's operations, being protected. He's about as partisan as it comes. I don't understand why Rosenstein is frozen in place, and frankly, the FBI director, in handling this corruption that's going on right in front of them.
Here's the bottom line. Rod Rosenstein and Christopher Wray, they need to fire all of those individuals. These guys don't have a right to a job. They don't have a right to collect money that we're paying for when they are accused of all of these actions. And now, if we had a grand jury, this could be proven in a second. In November, the Attorney General talks about, well, I'm going to look at this uranium one and put people from the Justice Department in to decide whether we should look at it. Whether you should look at it, everything about that is a pay-for-play. But let me ask you this. There is a sound. We have Senator Ron Johnson, who was on my colleague Tucker Carlson's show a couple nights ago. I think we have it.
So what can you do?
Well, we'll keep making these things public, and hopefully public pressure will force the FBI to come clean if they really want to remove the suspicion surrounding not only what happened back under the Hillary Clinton email investigation, but currently what's happening under the Mueller investigation.
I'm not saying that.
Okay, so, Tom, what, hopefully public pressure? What's the public going to do? Come out like a lynch mob? No, public pressure doesn't help. We need someone with a grand jury or the authority of law. What do you suggest?
Well, in fact, Congress, FBI can't spend $1 without Congress appropriating it. So for senators to say they just have to rely on public pressure like they're an average citizen, it's a bit odd to hear. Look, we're suing in court. Frankly, we get documents Congress can't get, so I'm quite confident we'll get something that Congress isn't even getting. And you know what I think is very interesting? Now, General Flynn's case is before Judge Sullivan, who granted us discovery in the Clinton email case. He has a record of not being terribly patient with government misconduct. And I think if the issue is raised with him, was this FBI special agent who hated Donald Trump and was obviously doing something wrong to prevent him from being successful in office, did he mess up or mess with the Flynn investigation as a result? Is the Flynn investigation, is the plea deal clean? And I think the judge can make inquiries there.
Well, but you know what?
And he may do it on his own, given all the news.
Well, Judge Sullivan is the judge who is very hard on the State Department. And you're right. But for you, Tom, and I've given you kudos many times, you're getting stuff through freedom of information and a judge who understands the law and what is public and what we're entitled to see more than Congress is. That's what's so frustrating about all of this. So what we've got to do is have a federal judge understand that contempt is a citation that even he can impose on lawyers who don't do what they're supposed to do. Yes?
I agree. And you know what else can happen? The president can take steps to make sure the American public knows what its Justice Department FBI have been up to. Because right now, the agencies on their own are stonewalling both Judicial Watch and Congress. And the president can intervene and say, look, you've got to release documents according to law here. Stop playing games. Stop telling people they have to wait years for documents.
I agree.
When you can release them tomorrow. Release the text.
All right. Tom Fitton, thanks for everything you do. Thanks for being on with us tonight.